Hello everybody, I'm Teacher Yusen and today I'm back again with our RMO preparation videos. And today the question that we are going to do about is on RMO 2014 round 2 question 12. It is a very old ago question, but let's jump straight into the question. So this question here says that there are 11 identical chocolate bars in a box. Gopal can only eat one or two of these chocolate bars at a time. No, it says that he does this until there is no more chocolate bars left. In how many different ways can he do this? Well, if we think about it this way, just trying it one by one seems like there's too many cases for us to be able to write down. So is there any better way of solving the question? Definitely there is. And normally when we deal with this type of question, we try to find a pattern. Well, how do we find a pattern then? We can list it down in terms of a table. Number of chocolates if there's one singular chocolate. Oh, what is the method for them to eat it? There's only one way, right? He eats that one chocolate at that one time. So, well, if there's only one chocolate, you just eat it. And the number of ways is just one. But now if I increase it to two chocolates, now, oh, what is happening now? How can he choose to eat these two chocolates? Oh, he can choose to eat one chocolate and another chocolate on two different timings, or he can of course select to eat both, two of them at one go. So it can either be in terms of 1 plus 1 or just two, for a total of two different ways. Now we are starting to see a pattern. If there are three chocolates now, oh, everybody, think about what are the methods used to eat these three chocolates. I think all of us can immediately see that 1 plus 1 plus 1, or 1 plus 2, or 2 plus 1, for a total of three different ways. Now the question becomes harder. If it is 4 chocolates now, what do we need to do then? So everybody, you can take a pause of the video and think about how many different methods are there for him to do this. Alright, time's up. We are back. Of course, you can choose to eat all of them as one, or you can choose to split it out. 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 1, or 2 plus 1 plus 1. But aside from this, you can also choose to eat two chocolates for two times, 2 plus 2. And that seems to be all of the different methods used to eat this 4 chocolate bars. So in total, he has 5 different ways of eating these chocolates. Oh, what about if now he has 5 chocolates? Then, oh, we have to list all of them down. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Or maybe 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. And so on. That's so many ways. So if we are able to list all of them down, we know that there are a total of 8 different ways. Oh, now we have 5 numbers. We can try to see what is the pattern now. What could be the pattern? Well, of course, we can start off with saying that to find pattern, we look for the difference between them. What is the difference? 1 to 2, one, then another one, from 3 to 5, 2, and 5 to 8, 3. What do we see about this now? From this, do we notice any pattern over here? Is there anything that we notice? So here, we realize that, let me get my laser pointer out. Let's see. From 1 to 2, we do not see anything yet. But from 2 to 3, we realize it's plus 1. And where did this 1 come out from? It is this one over here in a slanted figure. Then plus 2, where did the 2 come from? Oh, it is from this 2 over here. What about the plus 3? Ah, it seems like the 3 comes from here. So, what do we notice? Each of these numbers, for example, 5, is just the previous 2 numbers added up together. Well, 8 is just the previous 3 and 5 added together. So now it seems like we have found the pattern. Each of these numbers is just the previous 2 of them added up together. So now I think we are all able to find how many ways are there to eat these 11 chocolate bars. Let's list all of them down and find our answer. But all of you have noticed that our space is quite limited vertically. So I'll list them in a horizontal manner. Alright? So here, okay, there is a name for this type of sequence, and that is called as a Fibonacci sequence, where each of these numbers are just the sum of the previous 2 of them. So now with that, let's jump into calculating the answer. So just now I mentioned we're listing it horizontally. What will be the next one over here? 5 plus 8, 13. Then 21, 34, 55, 89, and of course our answer, which is 144 over here. Oh, we have found our answer. But when we are learning math, we want to understand why is it as such. Why exactly is each number the sum of the previous 2 numbers? Do we know? Well, let's take a look at why is it like this. Well, let's see. If I think about the number of ways for 9 chocolates, we can split it into 2 different cases. What are those 2 cases? The first case is where I eat 1 chocolate on the first day. Then what is left? I'm left with 8 chocolates, and the 8 chocolates, the number of ways that we ate the 8 chocolates is here. Oh, it is just 34. What about the other way of doing this? I can have selected 2 chocolates on the first day. And if I've ate 2 chocolates on the first day, what is left? I'm only left with 7 chocolates to deal with. And hence, that becomes a number of ways that we eat 7 chocolates. And hence, you see, the number of ways that we eat 9 chocolates is dependent on the number of ways we eat 7 chocolates as well as eating 8 chocolates. And that is why we are summing up the previous 2 for each of these terms. So with that being said, we know that our answer for this question is just 144. Oh, and we are done with this question. So although it's a round 2 question, it is not very challenging for us. But now, we'll do our next part, which is our summary for the question. What do we notice? So the first thing, when we see a complex problem that we cannot solve directly, what do? We simplify it and we start from the easier parts to find a pattern. And then we have our practice question over here. Oh, we have a similar question that is from RMO 2015, round 1, question 11. So all of you will have noticed this type of question actually appears multiple times in RMO. So make sure you are fully understanding the concepts of the question. So with that being said, that is all that we have for today. So once you're done with the practice question, do remember to put your answers in the comment section below. And if you have any other problem, feel free to just join our WhatsApp group over here and, well, message us. Our teachers at Kangaroo Study will be very glad to help you if you face any problems. With that being said, don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel below. Thank you and bye.